Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brianna. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look. This is my everyday soft glam makeup look. Please give this a big thumbs up if you liked it and leave a comment down below on what you want to see next. Don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and let's just get right into it. Okay, please ignore my hair and this whole situation because it's a mess. So I'm going to start off by moisturizing my face, of course, and I'm going to use this First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I'm obsessed with this. I use this like every single day, every night. My skin is so dry, so this is perfect. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm out, so I need to go get some more. And I'm just going to put this all over my face because your girl is dry. So next I'm going to go in with my eyebrows, and I'm going to go with the Anastasia Brow Wiz. This is in the color dark brown. I'm just going to fluff up my brows. Now that my brows are done, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Brow Gel, and I'm just going to hold them all together. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and put the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Corrector, and this is in the color Neutralizer. I'm gonna put this on my eyelids so that it can just kind of put a base on my lids. So I'm just gonna put like a few dots, and then I'm gonna take my Urban Decay All Nighter Spray, this one right here, and then I'm just gonna take this brush. I'm gonna spray a little bit, just one spritz, and I'm just gonna blend it all in. So now that I did both eyes, I'm gonna go in with the BFF palette by Alondra and Elsie. This is what it looks like. I really want to do like a look for you guys on this with this palette because I'm obsessed with it. This is like all I've been using. I know it looks like I haven't, but that's why I want to do a look, because I need to mess with like the different colors, like the blues. I've done the pinks a lot, and then like the browns. But yeah, I want to do a look, so let me know what you guys want to see. I'm gonna go in with the color Latte, which is so pretty. I'm obsessed with this color. And I'm just gonna put this right here. Now I'm gonna go in with the Aloe and Else, which is right here. I'm just gonna take a little bit. I usually don't really do eyeshadow as my everyday makeup look. I usually just do like my face, lashes, brows, and then I just put a base on my lids. But sometimes I do, so I'm just gonna do kind of like a basic eyeshadow look. So I'm gonna take that color and I'm gonna put it in my crease, and I'm just gonna blend it out. Now I'm going to just take this brush and I'm going to go in with the color Bon Appetit. And I'm just going to put it on my lid right here, just to kind of brighten that up. And this is a matte color, so I usually try to just stick to matte on my everyday makeup look. Now that my eyeshadow is done, very simple, basic look. I'm gonna do my face now, and I'm gonna go in with the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. The back fell off, so I don't remember the name of this. I actually use the color Barcelona when I have like a tan on, but as you can tell, I'm really pale right now. So I'm gonna go in with this color. I don't really use this one, so I'm hoping that this is a good color to use because it's been a while. I'm just gonna go ahead and put little dots all over my face just because that's what I do. I don't know why, I've always done it. Now I'm gonna take this brush right here. This one is the e.l.f. Complexion Duo Brush. I love this one. It has a two-sided brush to it, so I love using this part for my foundation. I don't really use this, but it could really help like in between like the little creases. So I don't know why I don't use it. I need to start using it, but I'm just gonna take this brush, give it a little spritz, And then we're just gonna blend it all in. Now I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the color Toast. And I'm just gonna go ahead and contour my cheeks. So for my everyday makeup look, I usually just contour my cheeks, and I don't really do that anywhere else. I actually don't really contour. I usually just do like the powder contour, and that's it. But today I'm gonna do a little bit on my cheeks, and I'm gonna take this beauty blender and then I'm just gonna blend it all out. Now I'm gonna go back with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind corrector, and I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight my inner face, which is right here on my forehead, my nose, a little bit below my nose, a little bit on my chin, and then underneath my eyes, aka my bags. And I'm just gonna blend everything in. Okay, so now that I finished that, I'm gonna go in with the Essence Matte Bronzing Powder Palette. And this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and use this one right here, and then I'm gonna dab a little bit of that darker shade. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this everywhere where I contoured. I know I didn't contour up here, but I'm gonna contour on my forehead, my jawline, my cheeks, and then a little bit on my nose. My camera kind of turned off, so I don't know what part was cut off, but I'm just now doing the Airspun Loose Face Powder, translucent powder, and I'm just going to put this everywhere where I kind of highlighted my face, so just my inner face areas. So while that's setting, I'm just going to take this and I'm going to curl my lashes. It's been a few minutes, and I'm just going to take a brush and just wipe all the powder off. Now I'm going to go in with this palette by Lunar Beauty. It's the Moon Prism Blush palette, and I'm obsessed with this palette as well. It's so pretty. Go ahead and go in with this color right here, which is called Pink Moon. It's a really light pink, and I like to kind of put that underneath my eyes. And I go in with the Stargaze, and I just put that on my cheeks. Then I also like to put it on my nose, my chin, and then above here on my forehead. So now I'm going to go ahead and spray my Urban Decay spray to set everything. And then now I'm going to take the Essence Pure Nude Sunlighter palette. This is a highlighter palette, and it is so pretty. Look at the colors. I just love it. I'm going to take this one right here, and I'm just going to highlight just a little bit. I know I mentioned before I try to do like a matte look for my everyday look, but today I kind of just want a little oomph to my makeup. Now I'm going to go in with the Telescopic Carbon Black by L'Oreal mascara. This is my favorite mascara ever. Also gonna put some under my eyes. I make the weirdest face when I do my lashes, my under eyelashes. it's kind of embarrassing, so let's just pretend that isn't happening. No, I hate when that happens. Now I'm gonna do my lips. I'm just gonna put some chapstick on. And then now I'm gonna go in with the Dose of Color Shyla lip liner. What it looks like, it's really pretty. It's not too dark, but this one is more of a nude, so I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick. And this is in the color Cool Girl. And I kind of just try to blend it in with the liner. And it's not too much of a difference in color. And then I like to just tab. And these are the lips. Okay guys, so I just fixed up my hair because that was just a little crazy mess. And this is the finished look, so I will give you guys a little close-up. Thank you guys all for watching. Please give this a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I would love to recreate a look or create a look using the Alondra and Elsie palette. And give us a big thumbs up, share it with all your friends, recreate it, and I will see you guys in my next video.